That's very good painting. Can you make fingerprints?
Yucky.
It's not yucky, that's paint. It's only yucky if you eat it. Good painting. What a pretty picture.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's the paint in the pot. You can't have the paint in the pot. Mommy puts it on the paper for you, okay?
Yucky.
It's not yucky. Well, it's yucky if you eat it, honey. Yuck. Yucky. Yuck. Yuck. Take your hand out of your mouth, honey. Yuck. 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 Can you make a handprint? Go. Good job. Good job. Look at that. You have a purple hand. You have a purple hand. Mommy didn't even give you any purple paint. How did that happen? Look at, oh, you are just an artist. Look at you. Can you say hi? That's right. Hi, hi, hi. Hi. That's right. Joy says hi, 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 hi. Are you having fun painting? Eamon, hello. Are you all done painting?
Yeah.
Yeah, all done.